Hello friends, so in this video we are going to solve this Pyspark question to calculate the sales revenue for the year of 2021. Okay, so let me show you the input data, how it is looking. So these are the data we have: order date, quantity, unit price. Okay, this column I have created for just showing purpose. You can see here I apply some formula, like just we are multiplying quantity unit. Okay, so we are getting this particular column. So this is our input look like. So if suppose we wanted to calculate in 2021 how many total sales we have done, so you can see here 700, and these are our in spy using Pyspark, this particular output should come. Okay, 700. So let's go through Databricks here. So what we are doing here, just we are importing two thing. First is Spark session. So Spark session we are using to whenever we are using Spark or Pyspark, so we need to use Spark session. Okay, and these are the function we are using here because we need to calculate the aggregate function here, so that's why we are using this function command. So this is the general command we are using to create the Spark session. Okay, like Spark session builder app name. So here we can use any name whatever we want. Okay, so I have used the calculate sales revenue, get or create. Okay, so these are the sample data we are using here to. Okay, so what I shown in the Excel, so this have the date and unit and the quantity. You can see quantity and unit. Okay, so we have defined this data name as a data, and these are the schema, so we called as a column name. So here we are using three column: order date, quantity and unit price. Okay, so here we created the data frame. Here it is simply like Spark create data frame. Okay, using this command we are creating the data frame. So here we are using these two variable, data column. Okay, so in next thing what we are doing here, you can see we have created this variable sales 2021 sales. Okay, what we are doing, first thing we are, whatever the data frame we have created, we are just using here sales with column. Okay, so just we are converting this order date into date format. Okay, you using the our function. And next thing what we are doing, column name. Okay, whatever the order date we have, just we are converting into the year because we want the year. Okay, to calculate that one. And this filter option we are using, we are taking only the 2021 record only. Okay, that's why we have using here filter keyword. Okay, and just we are using this year column and with the column. Okay, just what we are doing, we have created this revenue column. This revenue column is not in our schema. Okay, so what we are doing, just we are multiplying quantity with unit. Okay, so we are getting the revenue. Okay, and just we are summing up these revenues. Okay, and just we are giving the name as a total sales revenue. Okay, after summing up using aggregate, let's just here we are, what we are doing here, just we are showing the proper output what is getting. So let's run this Databricks. Okay, so we got the result, same result we got in our Excel also, 700. You can see, if suppose you can calculate here, like in this particular 2000 year we have the 700 record, same record we have used here. So this is the way we can use this calculate. Okay, so you can try this yourself, then you will get the confidence. And I would suggest you, if you are beginner, so you can refer this Pyspark documentation W3 site. Okay, so here in this exercise you will cover your basic things, and next thing you can refer this also for the Pyspark, like this is the Databricks documentation, so you can refer this document like data frame and all. Thank you guys.